How many times have you put off reading the whole Bible? Now listen with your ears, at up to 4x speed. In this video, 2 things: what makes this app different, and how to use it in 3 minutes. Press play, and the word being read moves along with the voice. Your ears listen, your eyes follow, you never get lost. Hear it for yourself.
다윗의 아들 이스라엘 왕 솔로몬의 잠언이라. 이는 지혜와 훈계를
3 audio languages: Korean, English, and Chinese. Listen to 2 languages side by side on one screen. Add subtitles in Japanese, Spanish, Vietnamese, or Indonesian. Perfect for anyone learning Korean, anywhere in the world. The sound quality is different. Every other Bible app uses MP3, this is the world's only Bible in WAV original sound, at 48 kHz. 12 times the data of MP3, 24 times in stereo. Better than FLAC or ALAC music files. The one and only Bible you hear in the sound of life. Add BrainHC DSP and it gets special, the Timatus high-frequency method, long used in ADHD therapy. Plus 40 Hz gamma waves, studied for dementia prevention. Every morning at 7, or any time you set, the Bible alarm rings. Tap the alarm, and the word starts playing instantly. The app builds the habit for you. Save chapters ahead of time and listen offline, even with the screen off. You can even measure your hearing age, just for fun. And every book of the Bible is free in MP3 quality. Now let's try it. Open the app and you'll see the welcome screen. Tap the blue start button in the middle. Set your reminder times, then tap enable and start. You can also do this later. Here's the most important part: 3 taps and the Bible is playing. First, language. Choose one language, pick Korean, then next. Second, voice and speed. We recommend the female voice at 2x to start. Next. Third, tap Proverbs.
다윗의 아들 이스라엘 왕 솔로몬의 잠언이라.
It starts
이는
right
지혜와
away.
훈계를
That's all there is to it. Just remember 3 buttons at the bottom. The center one pauses and resumes. The arrows move one verse at a time, and the square stops completely. Once you're comfortable, raise the speed with the number buttons: 2x, 2.5x, up to 4x.
바로 슬기롭게 하며 젊은 자에게 지식과 근신함을 주기 위한
Don't rush it, one step at a time is plenty.
잠언과 비유와 지혜는 사용과 그
Tap the language button below to see Korean and English together. If the text is small, tap L to enlarge it, and the brush icon changes the color theme. When your reminder arrives, one tap starts playback right away. Save a chapter and it keeps playing on the subway, even with the screen off. 5 minutes a day is enough. All 66 books are free to hear in MP3, starting right now. Scan the QR code on screen to install. The one and only Bible heard in the sound of life. Meet the word with your ears, starting today. Thank you.